is Meriem and I'm from Algeria, a country situated in North Africa. My family and I moved to the UK in 2012 and we've been living in Stockwell since 2013. One of the most important things in Algeria's culture is the cuisine. It is rich, diverse and has lots of influences from different cultures. Dishes in the north of Algeria are different from those in the east, west and south, with most of them centered around meat or chicken. Just like the rest of the Mediterranean cuisine, the Algerian cuisine is based on sharing. Considered as an art on its own right in Algeria, it's also a family affair, as it's passed on from mother to daughter for generations. The dish I'd like to share with you is a northern soup called Shorba Frik. The word Shorba comes from shorb in Arabic meaning drinking, and Frik is a grain used in this soup, hence the name Shorba Frik. It's a tomato-based soup with meat, chickpeas, coriander and mint. The soup is an iconic soup, served during the whole month of Ramadan as a starter, to break the fast, and in all special occasions such as weddings and all sorts of other parties. The recipe I follow to make it has been running in my family for generations, and I never dared change the thing in it. It may be slightly different from one family to another, but the concept is all the same. Shorba Frik is one of the precious things I have from my family and cannot wait to pass it on to my daughter. It brings in all these sweet memories of all the different families and friends gathering around a big table at parties and in Ramadan, sharing the food and celebrating all together as one.